Hey there, Para folks! Here's how to save or import households in Paralives. If you've created a household you've grown attached to and want to carry over into a fresh new game, you can actually save and import it. To save a household, press Ctrl F1 on your keyboard or Ctrl Shift C if you don't have function keys. This will open the cheat console. In the console's text box, type Edit Character with no spaces, then press Enter. This will bring you to the ParaMaker window. There, on the top toolbar, you'll find a folder icon with an arrow pointing into it. Click it to save your household. In the new window, you can modify the household name if you'd like and add a description. Once you're done, click Save Household to Library. This will add your household to your game's local library under the Created by You filter. If you're starting a new game and want to use that same household, or a different one, click Create a Household in the lower left corner of the screen. Once you're in the ParaMaker window, look again at the top toolbar and you'll find a house icon with a plus sign. Click it to import a household. A new window will open where you can browse households created by you, the Paralives development team, or members of the Steam Workshop community. Select the household you want and click Play with this household. You can either merge that household with the newly created Para in your save, or replace the newly created household entirely with the imported one. Once you've made your decision, click the large check mark in the upper right corner of the screen to confirm it. After that, purchase a property and your household will spawn right in front of it, and that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next side quest.